Hey guys, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a brand new listing here in Casselberry, 880 Reedy Cove, here in beautiful Seminole County, very well established. We have the elementary school within walking distance, great Seminole County schools, and we're gonna come take a look at inside, so come follow me. All right. So right when we enter the house, we have a full bedroom with a full bathroom here downstairs. The laundry area is right here where you have the washer and dryer included. Also included in the home are the Nest system and also security with cameras. So a lot of stuff is being included in the home. You'll see other upgrades as well, like you'll see the upgrades in the bathroom on the pictures, as well as the tile and a bunch of other things. But basically 1,650 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then we're gonna shift this way. We have the 2 bedrooms upstairs, so that makes 3, with the master as well upstairs with a fully upgraded bathroom, which you'll see. And this huge, very open, very bright family room with a fireplace, which is rare nowadays. You have the open atrium, ceilings, view looking over the patio and then the backyard with no rear neighbors. And yeah, we'll come this way towards the kitchen where we see, good sized kitchen. You could have some bar stools here for entertaining guests. Great location within the home. And here's the patio. So very spacious, plenty of room for the dogs, grilling outside, no rear neighbors whatsoever. You can even access that, I think, and play some ball and whatnot. For more pictures, for more info, we're having the open houses. It's a great price, especially for Seminole County. You're a great access point here in Casselberry. And my number is 321-287-3913. And you can check everything out on TopOrlandoHomes.com. Thank you.